Hi, Mark here. Thursday, March the 12th, 8 a.m. Eastern, 12 noon GMT. US session about to get underway. Let's have a look at the dollar index. Gapped higher to open today's trading. Closed yesterday 98.99 and opened above the 99 level, 99.20. Did move lower. I've got support at 99.02 and resistance 99.27. So move lower, there's the red candlestick fighting its way back now. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see after support an hour ago being established, there's the green candlestick just starting this new hour as the US session gets underway. We'll see whether US dollar buyers continue with this and bounce back after giving up these gains and work their way back up above the 99 level, maintain above 99 and look up at the 99.27 resistance, or if sellers do continue and come down and press below, test and get below the 99 support area. But so far today, red candlestick, notwithstanding higher highs and higher lows, but red candlestick to get started. That's the pretty much the Asian European session and fighting its way back now, going into the US session. Let's have a look at the S&P. We're in the futures market, hour and a half till Wall Street opens up. Large gap down to open futures trading today after closing yesterday at 6,828, reopened at 6,779, still showing small gains, but sitting pretty much where it opened. I've got support at 6,753, and I have resistance at 6,808. There you see the picture. No clear direction. If anything, bias does look down to me. EMA slightly pointing down. Sellers will look to retest this very tough support level at 6,753. If we do see demand for US equities, if buyers do step in, 6,800 on the upside is the level buyers will be looking to break above. Let's have a look at gold. Gold still maintaining in this range, been in this range for over a week now, pretty much between 5,100 and 5,200 looks to be the comfort level for now. I've got support today at 5,125. I've got resistance at 5,195. Green candlestick for now, gap lower to start, but has already fought its way back, and that is the inverse relationship with weak US dollar. We saw US dollar started weak, gold opposite, and gold strengthened slightly, and now depending maybe on the performance of the US dollar, weak US dollar could see gold come up and break this 5,200 area and maybe get higher, that push higher and break to the upside. If gold's unable to maintain, we've got the support at 5,125, which is looking tough, but pretty sideways for now. Let's have a look at Brent oil. Strong move again, and this was last night, a gap higher when the Asian session got started after closing at $93.50, reopened at 97.15, worked its way all the way up to testing that $100 level, has come down since then. Small green candlestick still. We've got support at 95.24. I've got resistance at 101.69. There's the gap higher, is maintaining for now, close to that $100 level again. We'll wait as we continue to get news developments out of the region and affecting oil supplies, oil routes will continue to have a marked effect on the price of oil. We'll watch that. The moves I would expect continuing to be sharp in both directions, but certainly it's the upside. You see that on the daily, and we'll continue to watch and see how that plays out today during the US session. Bitcoin. Once again struggling above that 70,000 level, unable to maintain and break above it. If you look at the close over the last few days, 70,000, 70,000, and sort of always sitting around that 70,000, tries and tests a bit higher or lower. What you can see if I zoom out that little bit, trading at a higher level than we were trading. It was pretty much 65, 68, under 70. We're now trading just a little bit above 70. We'll see whether that can be maintained. If buyers can maintain above that 70,000 level, or if sellers do step in and look to test break below the 70, get back to the 69, 68, maybe get to test this ascending trend line, but flat going into the US session, and has been that way for a few days. We're trading, keep that discipline, and I'll see you at the end of day session.